Vowel sounds. Vowels are the sounds which you pronounce with your mouth open, allowing the air to flow through it. Total 26 alphabets give 44 sounds. There are 5 vowel alphabets which give 20 sounds altogether. Those 5 alphabets are A, E, I, O, and U. Consonant sounds. Consonants are the sounds in language that are made by completely or partially blocking the airflow. A consonant is a speech sound that is not a vowel. All other sounds, excluding vowels, are consonants. There are 21 consonants that give 24 sounds altogether. Those sounds are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z.